Okay, Roy, we're at the Rodizio Restaurant with Vera and Al and myself. And it's the first time I've been here.
And it's $8 for $19.99.
No, it's not Vera. It's $18.85.
Okay, $18.95.
So it's cheaper than you said. $18.85. Yep, all you can eat. So we're gonna try it out. Go ahead, boys. See what happens. I'll done the. What are you on now? Something?
Yeah, I'll give you a wee rundown of what's on the menu here.
Yeah, go ahead.
So we've got 3-leg boneless lamb, chili chicken wings, garlic butter chili gambas.
I want to try the honey chili, honey and cinnamon pineapple.
Garlic Parisian chicken thighs, stuffed aubergine, chickpeas and roasted peppers, right up my street.
Jackson.
Chef's special, garlic bread, garlic slow roasted sirloin, slow roasted lamb chop, chorizo, blood pork sausages, barbecue belly bites, slow honey roasted gammon, and I don't know what that is.
Turn around here. Can't see it.
Canner rump steak. There's a lot there. How's it? They all sound good. The tea? Good Friday.
Garlic bread. I love garlic bread. Belly bites.
I wonder if we get a bottle of water too. Salad bar is really good. What's in it? I'm actually selection, isn't there? I'd be quite happy with salad bar.
Yes.
No, I want to be cooking.
Am I not supposed to move?
They are. Good.
Yep. Pork sausage.
Yeah.
Back toe.
You like one, two?
See, one, okay. Okay, yeah.
That's okay?
Oh, go for it, yeah. Oh, yes. Gracias. You like some? No. Gracias. Oh yeah. Go for that too. Good Al.
Delicious, lovely.
You enjoying that? Roy?
I don't know what to say.
That good?
It's not good.
Yeah, I'll be back here.
So guys, we've just been in Rodizio. What's your opinion, Roy? What do you think?
Fabulous.
Staff were great.
Fabulous.
Yep.
Food.
Yep.
Fabulous.
What about the water?
I did.
Yeah. €5 for a litre bottle of water. I would say do not get a bottle of water.
bring your own. But anyway, at the end of the day, I loved it all, and the lamb was absolutely delicious.
Yeah, everything
But-
was delicious.
Hold on, 1 second. The gammon was really dry.
It was.
But I think that was just ours. Because look at our people saying
You're
look
being
at it.
fussy.
Well,
I think. Are you trying to say that it was dry, and is that the time the water came out?
yes.
A wee bit disappointed.
Yes.
What?
Yeah, it was. There wasn't.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Thought that was a wee bit.
But I mean,
No, it was
the
a bit
staff are
high.
very friendly. But €5 for a litre bottle of water?
Fabulous.
Do
Well,
not,
you're never going to go back. Let it go. But
do not
anyway,
buy
let it
the
go.
water.
Fabulous.
Just drink alcohol. It's the
We'll
best.
be back.
Yeah,
Yes.
but we won't be buying water. Not a chance.
106.
No, 124.
124 euros.
That was including €5 for a litre bottle of water. Water.
Let it go. Let it
So mad.
I'm not letting it go.
Let
I'm,
it go.
it's the most.
Let it go. Let it go.
It's the most I've ever been charged for a bottle of water.
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, let's go. Let's